Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0 M. For my dear audience, in this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of creative fireplace or fire pit or grill ideas. Dear audience, when we talk about a fireplace, then different question arise in our mind, like how do you describe a fireplace, or what is the history of a fireplace, or what is a decorative fireplace, or what is called a fireplace. Many questions. So, dear audience, a fireplace or hearth is a structure made of brick, stone, or metal design to contain a fire. If we talk about the history of the fireplace, then even though the birthday of the fireplace is unknown, they have been used for over thousands of years, beginning during the Stone Age as simple dugout holes. So, in earlier times, the fireplace was a necessity, serving as a hub and main heat source for the home and was relied on for cooking and baking. So, if we talk about the decorative purpose or decorative, what is a decorative fireplace? Then the term decorative fireplace is increasingly being used to describe various fireplace as the name suggests. This fireplace is mainly intended for creating a cozy atmosphere, but can in some cases also provide some level of warmth, but it's not the primary function. So, what is called fireplace? The or framed opening in a chimney to hold an open fire, an outdoor structure of brick, stone, or metal for an open hearted. So, what are the features of a fireplace? A fireplace is a safe place for fire only to give off light and heat. So, generally made of brick or stone, a fireplace includes a firebox to contain the fire, a chimney to channel smoke and toxic gas out of the space, and several other key elements. So, what are some facts about a fireplace? It's also one fireplace and stoves help to combat high heating costs. So, no fireplace you can turn your inefficient fireplace into a heating powerhouse with an insert. You can control the heat. So, fireplace design is pushing traditional boundaries. It's also so a fireplace, what is the purpose of a fireplace? A fireplace can warm up a room very quickly, keep it well heated for hours, and eliminate the chill on damp and frigid days. And in the depth of winter, a fireplace will give your home the additional warmth you need without cranking up the thermostat in your home. So, what are the fireplace made of? The fireplace mantle can be made out of any material as long as it is for enough away from the firebox opening. However, the earth and the surrounded shroud need to be a non-combustible materials include tile, stone, and also brick. So, why do we need a fireplace? Beyond their practical uses, fireplace service serve much more of a purpose as a home feature. So, they act as a source of supplemental heat while being a focal point and a way to create ambience in a room. With that said, there's no need to despair if your new built property does not already contain a fireplace or chimney. So, if we talk about what is a natural fireplace, so natural or natural appearing fireplace are popular in new home construction. So, natural gas fireplace are increasingly becoming common, so they offer a safe means of enhancing the appearance and ambience of a room. So they are also advantageous particularly if it is a natural gas fireplace with a blower. So, what is a traditional fireplace? Sometimes the style of your fireplace will depend on what is actually possible in your home. So, a contemporary fireplace will often use natural gas or electricity, and a traditional fireplace is likely to be wood or natural gas. So, how many types of fireplace are there? So, variety of types. There are various types and a style to choose from, such as open hearth, enclosed fireplace, and wood burning stoves. So each types offers different aesthetic, allowing homeowner to choose one that best fit their needs. So wood burning fireplace are available in a variety of designs and models. So, who invented fireplace? 1678 saw the invention of the fireplace grate by Prince Rupert of the Rhine. He discovered that elevating the frame used for holding firewood allowed for better air circulation underneath it, which in turn helped fuel the fire and increase its efficiency. So, what type of fireplace is best? Fuel type. If you want a convenient and easy to use fireplace, a gas or electric fireplace is a good option. However, a wood burning fireplace is an excellent choice if you want the most realistic flame and the highest heat output. So, if we talk about types of fireplace, is in style. Then stone fireplace offer an easy way to add texture or break the monotony of neutral hued wall. Stone adds a rustic touch to the fireplace and a contemporary nature-inspired element to the room decor, using a contrasting stone against a neutral background can create a dramatic focal point in the space, also by prescribe. So you can put a mirror, art, or family photos above it. Other option are using a pair of wall sconces, candlestick, clocks, or vases. So need more inspiration. Here are some um, mesmerizing fireplace decorating ideas for you. So is fireplace good for home? Yes, fireplace can be beneficial for many reasons. They can give homeowner a scene of belonging, especially if it's placed in a central location. They can also act as a supplemental heat source, saving energy and also money. So, why are fireplace so nice? Fireplace provide a sense of comfort and security. So there's something inherently comforting about sitting in front of a warm, crackling fire. So one popular anthropological theory suggests it's a feeling that goes back to our primal instinct, as the fire has always been a source of warmth, light, and security for humans. So, dear audience, I think that my video and my idea inspired you much and inspire my dear guys, children. So, if inspired, then subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video with your affectionate love. So, thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. Thank you very much.